India needs you in the boardroom. As the nation experiences unprecedented economic growth, there is an acute shortage of qualified independent directors to guide corporate governance. Why become an independent director? Your experience deserves a seat at the boardroom table. 10 or more years in fields like finance, law, or IT qualify you. There is a massive demand and a huge gap. Over 30,000 board seats are waiting, but there are not enough qualified professionals. The need for independent directors is growing 5 to 10 times. Why STS? We are your proven partner, with 100% success rates and over 100 professionals trained. Learn from active board members and receive personalized mentoring. Your entry point is the SME IPO wave. Your first board seat will come from small and medium enterprises preparing for public listings. Build your portfolio step by step. What will you learn? You will master the legal and regulatory framework, deep dive into committee functions, learn financial and risk analysis, and apply real-world case studies. Our exam clearance blueprint focuses on judgment. We offer comprehensive coverage, over 1,500 practice questions, personalized gap analysis, and strategic preparation tips. Beyond certification is your boardroom entry strategy. We help with profile positioning, navigating the appointment framework, risk management, and personal branding to attract board opportunities. Your boardroom journey starts now. One decision today can redefine the next 10 years of your career. The boardroom is waiting for leaders with your experience. Take the first step. Book your free boardroom readiness consultation. Our experts will assess your background and chart your path to success. Visit www.stsltd.in/trainings to begin.